Hi guys, today we are going to see how you can build a website for free. So let's start. This is the website which we are using to build our WordPress website. We can use this software only by offline mode. So to download it, you can use any type of OS like Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. Scroll down. Now you can download the software. Now I am clicking Linux. Now you should log into your account. I select Google. Select your account. Now you can see that we are successfully downloaded. You can see that it has downloaded. To install it, just right click and click run. Now you can see that we have launched. Select your language. Then click OK. Then click next. Then also click next and also click next and enter your details and click next. Enter your blog name. Blog name is a name used as the title or the name of the website. Example, name of your business. Then click next. Then click OK. Then click install. Now we are ready to make our website. It will be uploaded as part 2. So to notify, please subscribe. So bye guys, check description if part 2 uploaded. Thank you.